hundreds of dollars for your house. And I just told you that there's
Goddamn catbird on my hood.
you're just sitting here listening to the radio. I'm not going to tell you to run your life. You can just be saving how to
Right, little fella.
Check out our new way at Geico.com and buy online or at your local Geico office.
Hey, Alabama, Geico is happy to announce a new rate. Why? Because Geico loves you. Is it weird to say that? No, man, no, not at all. They're not going to send you flowers and planes to finish the car anytime you need it. They just want to help you save what's in hundreds of dollars on car insurance. And they've been doing it for over 70 years. Of course, if you want flowers, some places are better.
Check out our new way at Geico.com and buy online
From the darkness of the starless night, some creatures that bring sheer light are eventually to find the law and out on the moon. At the wall, thousands of trucks including
Ride it, cowbird, ride it.
other ground, if you scared, you can stay